How to change team name on FPL app. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your team name in the Fantasy Premier League FPL app. So if you're bored with your current name and want something new and creative, just follow along step by step. Alright, let's get started. First, open the FPL app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your team settings. Once you're in, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap on Fantasy. This is the tab where you manage everything related to your squad. On the Fantasy page, scroll down a bit until you spot the section titled Leagues and Cups. Tap on Configure Leagues to head to the next screen. Now you'll land on a page with a few more options. If you've already created your team, it'll show up here. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Admin. Under the Admin section, tap on Team Details. You'll now see your current team name. Simply tap the name field, delete the old one, and type in your new team name. It can be funny, smart, or whatever fits your vibe. Once you're happy with your new name, scroll down and hit Save or Update Details, whichever option shows up for you. And that's it. Your FPL team name is now updated and ready for the new game week. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and good luck with your fantasy season.